Here's how to add confetti to your SamCart page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to SamCart, and on the main menu, choose Products. Choose the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the trial confetti demo to go to the editor. Let's open Trial Confetti Demo. Click the Design button located in the upper right corner, and then find Custom HTML from the selection under Content. Here's Custom HTML, then drag and drop it anywhere on your SamCart page. Please note that you can just disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Click on the HTML/JavaScript widget, and this will open a box where you'll be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it looks like. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier. Or use the text shortcut Control V for Windows or Command V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into custom HTML element, click the back button, which is this one. To see the confetti animation in action, test it out by clicking preview here on top. If you did all the steps I mentioned earlier, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.